We'll start number 3 now.
She's counting. The last मेरा नंबर आएगा.
Because quality keeps decreasing.
Start with me. No, she's like talk about.
No, the whole last conversation she was like मेरा नंबर आएगा.
I was like अपना time आएगा.
No, okay.
Okay,
You also
random
said
double
other
pick then.
point.
We'll
Okay,
random.
random. Let's go random. Nobody should
Start
be
with
offended.
Varsha. We'll start
You
with
have to be
Varsha.
alert, okay? We can come to you anytime.
So we'll start with Varsha.
They should also be alert.
Start with Varsha. Yeah. So I think I was saying this somewhere else also, Varsha. Somebody was asking me who was the laziest person on your set. I said, I don't know lazy. Yeah, sorry, I didn't answer for that. Then I said, who is the foodie on your set? Varsha. Who's the naughtiest person on your set? Varsha. Who's the funniest person on your set? Varsha. I was like, I'm sorry, I can't answer anybody else's name with Varsha. Having worked with Varsha, because it's like that one bouncing ball is going around the set, like. So that's my experience with Varsha. It's like a standing comedy is happening throughout the shooting experience. So loved it. It was a ball working with Varsha.
Bouncing ball.
Bouncing with her bouncing. Everybody on the set will be bouncing with her and laughing. Yeah, so that's my experience with working with her.
And yeah, Rajiv. So something about Varsha, I don't know. It works out. I don't know if it's that your talent or it's just.
It's just
No,
masti.
no, because కొంతమందికి ఐ ఫీల్ చాలా కష్టపడాలి కదా యాక్టర్లు. వాడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ బట్టలు చించేసుకుని అలా దుమ్ములో అలా కష్టపడిపోతారు. అప్పుడు తెలిసే ఆ గుడ్ యాక్టర్. కొంతమంది ఊరికి అలా కూర్చుంటే గుడ్ యాక్టర్.
That's
No, it is something charming basically.
Yeah.
It'll work. You just put them in
her
the frame.
facial
it works.
expressions. Those expressions.
Yeah.
You don't have to joke.
When I saw Guntur
Middle class.
Middle Class Melodies. Sorry.
The movie is only about Guntur.
Yeah.
Guntur is a character in that movie.
Yeah. No, but that is when I thought you have that energy. We should put you anywhere and it will work. That scene will work. So when she said, okay, I was like, happy, we are sorted.
You are perfect for that.
Thank you. And yeah, we were super fun the last catch up. The dancing particularly was amazing. Yeah. Looking forward to see it.
You were there.
Tonight again.
Looking forward to see tonight again.
I was in the morning. I was like, how can I recreate that? It's impossible.
You have to be full expectations. And now that I've said, I have told everyone. Have to. Yeah. Next.
Next we'll pick somebody. We'll do Deekshit.
Okay.
Okay, so I think I shared this somewhere else also, and I'm so glad, Deekshit, that because of Meet Cute, your next thing is with Nani himself, and you're oka manchi role you're playing in Dasra. But back to Meet Cute, I think couple of days manam shoot chesam anukunta, and then I remember this very experience, and I still tell people when I talk about in-law. And అన్ని ఇన్లో చూపించిన వాళ్ళందరికీ ఆ సీన్ చాలా నచ్చింది బిట్వీన్ యూ అండ్ ఆకాంక్ష. సో ఐ టెల్ దెమ్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఆఫ్ షూటింగ్ దట్. అంటే ఒక పర్స్పెక్టివ్ టు హీ కేమ్ టు ద సెట్. వన్ స్మాల్ సీన్ ఆఫ్ గెటింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద రూమ్ వాజ్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ ఓకే. We were just going for retake, and then I said, let's break here. We'll not do this, Ani. Then we'll do a break. And then we met in a caravan for lunch that day. So and then I told Deekshit, forget about the dialogues. Don't even think about dialogues. This is your character. This is how he feels. Ee character feels like this about వాళ్ళ అమ్మ గురించి ఇలా అనుకుంటాడు. ఇది తన mentality. These are his principles. Like, this is what he is thinking. If you ఇలా నువ్వు నీ అమ్మ గురించి ఆలోచించినప్పుడు నువ్వు ఎలా మాట్లాడతావు. అదంతా we had a conversation that was not related to the scene at all. అసలుకి బట్ ఐ డింట్ అది హెల్ప్ చేస్తుందా లేదా అని నాకు క్లారిటీ లేదు. బట్ ఐ థాట్ విల్ టాక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్ అంతే. దెన్ వీ వెంట్ బ్యాక్ ఆన్ సెట్. ఇట్ వాజ్ మ్యాజికల్, లైక్ దట్ హోల్ సెట్ ద సీన్ వర్క్డ్ అవుట్ సో వెల్ బికాస్ he got into a character look. He came in. So I fondly remember that conversation we had in the car. So in the caravan. Keep telling them. This is the backstory of that scene in the Maharaj.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for making me part of this
So I've
family.
heard all the praises when the shoot happened, and then we were in one chala main lead so in Dasra, the film I'm doing right now. We needed a very important role, another really important role, and then I remembered what she said, and then he came into Dasra. Now remember that face. And I think in Telugu it's going to be Kannada gurinchi నాకు తెలియదు. Actually he's from Kannada industry, but I think he's going to get very busy post Dasara. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. That's so
Amazing.
sweet, and thank you for being amazing co-artist. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You are amazing. Yeah, next.
Akanksha.
Akanksha. Nee, start.
You can start.
So because I was with Akanksha.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. So మేము ఫస్ట్ దేవదాస్ అనే సినిమాలో కలిసి పనిచేసాం. నాగ్ సార్కి పేరు నాగ్ రష్మిక, అండ్ వీ ఓన్లీ హ్యాడ్ 2 scenes together. Yeah, Vachadam, the song, and also that one scene which is hilarious actually, which I think కొంచెం editing లో పోయినట్టుంది. It's not there. But then itself, when I saw, I remember telling a lot of people that amazing talent సరిగ్గా వాడట్లేదు. సరిగ్గా ఏంటి తెలుగులో ప్రాపర్ సరైన రోల్ పడలేదు. If that one role happens to you, it will be amazing. And because after I watched the film also, a lot of we didn't have any communication, but I told this to a lot of people. And when we were discussing, when we came up with the
Cast.
I said, it will be amazing. Because there's a certain naturality, there's certain believability you bring to the role. And I was very confident, and I loved your performance
Thank you.
in Law.
So yeah, I think he covered all my points because he went. So I think, and then she's a director's actor. She'll be like, okay, what is it that you are seeing? Me idea enti, me character ki. And like ante oka format ki she's been used to, right? When I'm saying ఇదే క్యారెక్టర్ కావాలి నాకు, ఈ బట్టలే వేసుకుంటారు, లైక్ ఇదే మేకప్ కావాలి, దెన్ షీ వాజ్ లైక్ ఐ యూ షూర్ ఇది వర్క్ అవుతుందా అని షీ హ్యాడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. బట్ నేను ఏం చెప్తే అది షీ వాజ్ లైక్ ఫాలోయింగ్ అండ్ లైక్ దట్ గెటింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద క్యారెక్టర్ అండ్ లైక్ యూ సెడ్ amazingly it came
Thank
out.
you, thank you.
That's-
I am thankful that I got this opportunity because there are very few instances where we got to play such characters which we can relate to. So I think Pooja is that character, and it is the whole film, the whole story will always be so close to my heart. And I really want to thank Dikshit and Rohini Garu, because you know it's not possible when you act. It's always give and take. You cannot perform entirely on on the basis that how you are performing. It definitely depends that what cues you are getting, what emotions you are getting. So
Right.
I am really thankful that I've been given this opportunity to work with you both and thoroughly enjoy. Thank you.
such pleasure to work with.
Yeah. You done? Next.
Next, Sanchita. We'll go for Sanchita. Okay, so I think so when we were trying to cast, last casting was done ex-girlfriend ki casting. After going through so many actors, I was just not convinced that someone can be Anjana. Like, ante, it's not like a typical heroine role. Like, she has to be this cute tomboyish person that you know is in her mind a little stubborn but still matured. Adi. So I just saw one movie that you did before. I won't name
What's
it.
the trailer of it?
Yeah, and then just like that one little shot, I got that vibe. Okay, this is Anjana. Then there was a little, the whole character that I was thinking in my mind, it was there, and I had my because that was probably your first film or
Yeah.
anything. I was not sure if I can bring out that whole intense performance that's needed in the ex-girlfriend lo kavalsina
one
intense
intense
performance. I was really scared, but I think when you came onto the set, you really delivered, and I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sanchita, you had curly hair, no? For the episode?
Yeah.
Uh,
Very clear.
Something is different. I was not-
It's short also.
Yeah, and you dubbed for yourself,
Yes.
right? That was, I remember asking her when I saw the episode. You dubbed it so well, first of all.
Oh,
And,
thank you.
Yeah,
I was
and,
skeptical of that.
Yeah, so good. Like I because that day when we met at the office,
Hmm.
like it's very different. The role is not exactly your
My personality,
Yeah, it's very different, and to play something which is not you so convincingly, I think that's the challenge, and you are amazing in Ex-Girlfriend.
Thank you.
Yeah, particularly with the shock.